Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to delete your project that you already finished or your unwanted project, so to get more space on your phone or your device as well as on your Canva application. So clean or more space will make the Canva and your device move faster, right? Okay, so you already have my Canva open. So how to delete? You just need to choose which project that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this because I already finished this and I already saved this into my device. And the things that we have to do is just go with these three small dots. Okay, and after that you just need to click a move to trash. Okay, so if the project that you want to delete it doesn't appear in this segment, you just need to track the project by go into the project segment or project site, and now you can just like scrolling the design, the project, all of your project is appear here. Okay, so for example this one, you just need to do the same, just click three small dots and after that just move to trash and done. So the project is already deleted into or from your Canva. That's all the way how to delete the project. So if you find that this video is really useful for you guys, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.